right, in today's video we are planting up a few onions and some celery, which is in this one, and leeks, all for Super Sow Sunday. I'm going to share with you the seed starting mix I am using this year. It is called Master Garden Eco-Friendly Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. It is expertly designed to help you cultivate the best garden possible. This mix is environmentally friendly, primarily composed of coconut coir, a renewable and sustainable material created from recycled coconut husks. It boosts a neutral pH, making it perfect for starting a wide range of vegetables, flowers, and herbs from seed, which is what I'll be using it for. I just love this mix. It is clean feeling and really doesn't have much of a scent to it at all. Super easy to scoop into the little seed starting cells that I am using today, as you can see here. I am going to fill these little trays up almost to the top without packing the mix down in, so it's nice and loose. It is super important to have a seed starting mix that is fluffy like this. Water will drain from it super easy, and hopefully the perlite in this mix will only hold the needed moisture for seed starting. And there we have it. It's ready to plant. Good seed starting mix, sturdy and clean trays to grow in, and don't forget the tweezers for seed grabbing, a clean saucer to pour the seeds into, and tags and a marker. In this first seed tray, I'm going to germinate a celery. This is Tall Utah Improved. This is my first year growing celery from seed, so fingers crossed. The seeds are super tiny. I'm going to load up each cell with a few dozen of these little seeds. They're just too tiny to try and separate each seed. I'm hoping as they grow, I can divide the seedlings to give them appropriate space. This is all a learning experience for me when it comes to growing this variety today. So be sure to bookmark my channel for more tips and updates. Next up are the leek. This is the American flag variety. Thankful the onion and leek seeds are much bigger than the celery seed. I'm going to place a few extra of the seed in each cell when possible. I'm hoping to be able to divide the seeds once they get growing, just like the celery, hopefully. In addition to the leeks, I'm also growing this evergreen bunching onion and a creme brulee onion. Be sure to check the package to see what recommended dates are suggested for your area. Last up, we're going to carefully pat a little seed starting mix on top of the seeds just to make sure the seed is covered before adding the tag and placing the lid on the tray. I have the vent lid closed for the first week just to keep the maximum amount of heat in the little dome. All right, so I've got the grow lights on, which are not needed. I'm just having those on right now for the video purposes, but I usually will turn the lights on these new seed starters after about a week. These actually do put off just a little bit of heat, so it does help a bit. But the most important thing is to have the heat mats going, and I like to keep the little humidity vents closed while these are on there and make sure the soil is still moist. Check daily, especially in the beginning, to make sure it's not too wet, just a little wet. Keeping the vent closed will actually help keep the heat in here and keep it warmer while it's on the heat mat. So these take a while to germinate, so have patience. Thanks for checking out my video today. I hope you grab yourself some seeds. It's real early, especially if you're in like hardiness zone 5B6 like me. These, you could still start these by the end of the week, roughly. The leeks and celery, they take a little they take longer than say tomatoes and peppers and things like that, which I'll be starting in a couple of weeks here. So there you go. Thanks for watching.